Right now in 2026, thousands of new AI apps are targeting US freelancers and students every single month. They promise to do your work for you, but in reality, 99% of these apps are just white noise, burying your desk in endless subscriptions and complicated interfaces. The problem is obvious. When you try to test every new app that pops up on your feed, you end up wasting valuable hours learning complex dashboards. You spend more time managing the software than actually completing your client work or finishing your degree. We are going to cut through that noise. Today, we are isolating the exact 10 free AI tools that provide a massive, unfair advantage to your daily workflow. These platforms allow you to automate specific parts of your research and administrative work. For example, a tool that used to require a human to manually transcribe and summarize a 2-hour lecture can now perform those specific tasks while the meeting is still happening. Having an advantage in a competitive market does not come from hoarding the freest number of tools. It comes from identifying the rare, highly effective tools that actually eliminate the bottlenecks slowing you down. This chart shows exactly how we are evaluating software today. It plots learning effort against daily hours saved. Right now, you can see hundreds of generic AI tools trapped in the bottom right corner, meaning they require a lot of effort to learn, but save you almost no time. We need to sweep away the junk. A tool's rank in this countdown is determined entirely by its ability to secure a spot in the top left corner. Maximum time saved with the absolute minimum learning friction. Welcome to Jobcast Daily. Our entire mission here is to help you bypass the tech hype and find the signal in the noise. If you want continuous, fluff-free workflow optimizations tailored for modern online businesses and remote work, hit that subscribe button right now. To actually scale your solo business or handle a heavy academic workload, we must ruthlessly filter software through this exact return on investment matrix. Let's start the countdown at tool number 10. This graphic shows our baseline for administrative automation. Tool number 10 is Otter.ai. It connects directly to your calendar apps like Google Meet or Zoom, automatically joins your meetings, and transcribes every spoken word into perfectly formatted searchable text. There is a specific trade-off here. The free tier limits your total monthly transcription minutes. Because of this cap, you have to manually prioritize which client discovery calls or heavy university lectures are actually worth recording. Moving to number 9, we look at on-the-go organization with tools like AudioPen. If you are pacing around your apartment brainstorming your next YouTube script, you just speak your messy, unstructured thoughts into your phone. The AI processes that rambling audio and structures it into a clean, coherent text summary. Fireflies.ai extracts action items and assigns tasks to your team members by syncing with your existing project management apps or communication channels like Slack. Think about the time you usually spend furiously typing out manual notes, trying not to miss a detail. These organizers replace that panic with an instant, highly searchable database of every conversation you've had. Now that we've seen how AI handles your administrative workflow, let's transition to the tools that actually handle content creation and research. Automating your routine administrative bottlenecks is the necessary first step to reclaiming your billable hours. Even if you have to manage your usage around free tiers, getting your time back is always worth the strategy. This expanded matrix shows our research tier. Tool number 7 is Perplexity AI. When you feed it a complex query about US market research, it crawls the live internet and returns an instant summary, fully backed by clickable citations to the original sources. Tool number 6 is ChatGPT. While Perplexity is strictly for searching, ChatGPT provides broad utility for drafting. You can use it to format professional emails to difficult clients, build structural outlines for essays, or brainstorm product names for a new online business. The accuracy of these tools depends on your input. Vague instructions lead to generic text, while precise context produces the specific data or draft you actually need.
You also have to watch out for hallucination. Hallucination is a technical term for when an AI model confidently generates false or completely made-up information as if it were fact. Because of this, absolute fact-checking is mandatory before you use any AI-generated data in a professional setting. Actually, let me ask you, has an AI ever given you a completely made-up fact that sounded totally real? Share that story down in the comments. I want to read what these bots are coming up with. Tool number 5 is Chat PDF. This is a dedicated document summarizer designed specifically for 100-page PDFs and dense academic papers. You upload the file, and you can literally chat with the document to find the exact paragraph you need. Text generation is great, but the next tools handle full visual media. AI synthesizers will drastically reduce your initial research and drafting time. However, the human operator's critical judgment remains the indispensable quality control layer. We're now shifting from text generation to full asset creation. Visuals, graphics, and presentations can now literally be conjured from simple text outlines in a matter of seconds. Take tool number 4, Gamma. You can paste a raw, unformatted text outline into Gamma, and it will instantly convert those words into a fully designed, beautifully formatted, client-ready pitch deck. When you bypass hours of manual slide design, formatting, and color matching, the daily hours saved metric absolutely spikes on our matrix. Tool number 3 includes image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E. Instead of paying for expensive stock photo subscriptions to find the perfect image for your blog or YouTube thumbnail, you describe exactly what you want, and the AI generates custom, high-resolution imagery on the spot. Tool number 2 takes this into motion. Synthesia allows you to generate professional B-roll and photorealistic AI avatar videos simply by typing a script. You get complete video output in minutes without setting up a single camera or microphone. There is a core trade-off for the creator tier. These assets often carry a highly noticeable AI aesthetic. Sometimes hands look weird, or the avatar's voice sounds slightly robotic. Because of this, these tools are best viewed as hyper-advanced first drafts. They get you 80% of the way there, but they require your manual editing and human touch to achieve a truly polished, professional product. Asset generation tools completely eliminate blank page syndrome. By generating the raw materials instantly, they transform the solo entrepreneur from a ground-level creator sweating over a blank canvas into a high-level executive editor polishing a nearly finished product. Wait until you see this next tool. Every AI we have covered so far searches the public internet, but the most powerful tool on this list does something entirely different. It searches your brain. Tool 1 is Notebook LM. You upload your chaotic project files, PDFs, and messy notes into one secure vault. Once uploaded, this personalized AI agent connects ideas and can generate custom audio podcasts of 2 AI hosts discussing your specific notes. The final trade-off is the setup. Notebook LM requires a high initial time investment to gather, clean, and format your personal data effectively before it becomes this magical, instantaneous resource. The primary benefit of AI in 2026 comes from organizing and synthesizing your personal data vault so you can reference your own past work instantly. This chart shows how to integrate these tools. AI provides the most value when applied to daily bottlenecks. Tools 10 through 5 are for remote workers needing admin relief. Tools 4 through 1 are for creators scaling their output. So which of these 10 AI tools surprised you the most? And which one are you actually integrating today? Drop your answer down in the comments below. If you found value in this breakdown, please subscribe and like the video. It helps us continue bringing you the frameworks you need to upgrade your digital workflow. Thank you for taking the time to watch Jobcast Daily. Knowing the names of the tools is only half the battle. Executing them directly against your specific bottlenecks is what truly scales your income and your free time. We will have more insights for you next time on Jobcast Daily.